In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent rows in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to organize your rows. This is useful when you want to create a clearer structure in your sheet, especially if you're grouping related tasks or building a parent and child hierarchy. A well-organized sheet makes it much easier to read, manage, and update later. Once your sheet is open, find the row you want to move under another row. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one because indenting changes how that row is positioned within the hierarchy of your sheet. When a row is indented, it becomes a child row under the row above it, which acts as the parent. This can be especially helpful for project planning, task tracking, or breaking larger items into smaller parts. After selecting the row, go to the toolbar and click the Indent button. As soon as you do this, the row should shift slightly to the right. That small movement is important because it confirms that the row has been nested under the row above it. Visually, this helps you see the relationship between parent and child rows at a glance. Next, check carefully that the row is now sitting under the correct parent row. This step matters because hierarchy affects how your sheet is organized and interpreted. If the row is placed under the wrong parent, your structure may become confusing. So it's always worth reviewing right away instead of noticing the issue later. If you realize the row was moved too far or placed incorrectly, you can easily fix it by using the outdent option. This moves the row back to the left and removes it from its current parent level. It's a quick way to adjust your structure without having to recreate anything. Once everything looks correct, save the sheet so your changes are preserved. Then do a final review of the row hierarchy. Scan through the parent and child relationships to confirm that the structure matches the way you want your information organized. This last review helps prevent mistakes and ensures your sheet is easy for you and others to understand. And that's how to indent rows in Smartsheet. With just a few clicks, you can create a cleaner, more organized hierarchy that makes your sheet much easier to work with.